In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your own quiz game right here in Google Slides. So here in my film strip, I've created these different slides right here. And this is actually an adventure math game where you're going to try and solve different problems to win. So for this homepage, what I created were some translucent shapes that are linked to their respective slides. And I'm going to show you how to create these slides right here because I've already created the addition island, the subtraction swamp, and the multiplication mountain. Now we're only left with the division desert. So to create this division desert slide, I'm going to start off with my background. So to insert an image background, I'm going to go to background here. In the toolbar, select choose image. Then I'm going to upload that image from my computer drive, go to browse, and select the image right here. Click on open. And there you have it. It was automatically set as my background. So I can just delete this text right here. For the next part, what I'm going to create will be a translucent shape. So to create a translucent shape, go to shape here in the toolbar, select shapes, and select your shape. I'm going to create a rounded rectangle like so. There you have it. Then I'm going to format this by removing the border color and selecting my fill color right here. So what I want is a fitting color, same as my background. So I'm just going to select a custom color. There you go. Then to make it translucent, go back to fill color and select the custom color right here. Here on this part, we can adjust this to the middle, click on OK, and there you have it. You have a translucent, rounded rectangular shape. Now I'm just going to move that to the side and copy this text right here. Control C or Command C. Then double click on this shape to paste in the same text. I'm going to format this by selecting everything. Go to more, go to the alignment, and we have our center alignment and middle alignment. There you have it. Then I'm also going to change the text color to white, put it in bold, and increase the text size. Now I can just simply delete this part right here. There you go. Resize that, reposition it here at the bottom. And I'm going to reposition this in the middle. There you have it. Now we're going to proceed to another shape. So what I'm going to do is to create another shape right here. There you have it. Copy this one as well. So this is going to be our problem. Paste. Now I can also just delete this part. There you go. And I'm going to format this the same way. So I'm going to choose the same color. There you have it. And for the border color, maybe a darker orange. There you go. So now I'm going to duplicate this shape 2 times. There you go. For this one, we have the first option for our answer, which is the number 4. I'm going to select that and paste it. Select the other one, maybe just cut it and paste it here as well. So delete that text box. Now I'm going to resize that shape. There you go. Reposition it like so. I can also select both and just resize it at the same time. There you have it. Make sure it's centered. So to also make sure the alignment for the text is also centered, I'm just going to go to the alignment right here. There you have it. Now I'm going to select the 3 shapes so I can format all the text inside at the same time. So I can select elements by pressing on Shift on my keyboard, then just click on the elements that I want to select. There you have it, release, and now those 3 shapes are selected. Now go to your text color right here, put it in white, put in bold as well, and there you go. So now we have our problem page for the division desert. Next part would be our outcome. So if we select the correct answer right here, we want it to be linked to a slide where it will say you got the correct answer. like with this one's right here. So we have the correct slide and the try again slide. So for this one, we are again going to make the background the same as our problem page right here. Go ahead and go to background, choose image, browse, select the image, click on open, and click on done. There we go. Now I'm just going to select this and copy it and paste it on this slide where it will say correct. I'm just going to resize that shape so it's not too big. Or I can also make the text a bit bigger. There you have it. Now center that, and I will just copy that. And this time, since it says find the last clue, we're just going to say, congratulations, you found the last clue. Just adjust the size of your shape. I'm just going to make this a bit smaller. So now we can just select this text and link it to our last slide. So I'm just going to select that text, then go to Insert Link here in the toolbar and select Slide 15. Click on that, and there you have it. You've officially linked that text to the last slide. For the next slide, we have the Try Again slide. So what I'm going to do is to just duplicate this slide by pressing Ctrl D or Command D and deleting that blank slide right there. There we go. For this one, we're going to say try again. So this is our try again slide if we do click on or choose the wrong answer. So here we're going to say that was the wrong clue. Try again. So we're going to link the words try again by selecting those words. Go to Insert Link and just link it back to the problem, which is slide number 12. There you have it. And now we've finished all the problem slides. And for the final slide to finish this game, what I'm going to do is the same thing. So let me insert an image as a background for this slide. I'm going to use the same image I did for this one right here. To make that as my background, go to Background, select Choose Image, go to Upload and Browse. Select the image you want to use, click on Open, and done. There you have it. That's the same image that we used on our home page. And to make our text look better, we're going to do the same thing by inserting shapes. Go to Shape here in the toolbar, pick your rounded rectangle, create that shape, and format it in any way you want. So I'm just going to click on one of these custom colors right here. There you go. Then I'm going to move it right here, copy the text, and insert it right here. Delete that text box, resize that shape to fit in your text, and reposition it right here. So to make that text stand out, I'm just going to change the text color, put it in bold, and there you have it. Now I'm going to do the same thing to the rest of the remaining text. And the final touch would be to select maybe different colors for these shapes right here. So select that shape, go to your fill color, and select a different color. And there you have it. So that's our last slide. Now, going back to our Division Desert problem right here, what I'm going to do is to just finally link these two answers right here to their respective slides. So our 4 answer is the correct one, and I'm going to link this to the correct slide. Insert link. That's going to be slide 13. There we go. And for this one would be slide number 14. And there you have it. So now if we try and play the game, let's go and start our slideshow. If we start off with Addition Island and select the correct answer right here, here we have the correct slide. Return to the map. If we go to Subtraction Swamp, Here we have it, 9 minus 5. If we choose the wrong answer, it will tell us to try again. Click on try again right here. And if we select the correct one, here we have it, return to the map. Multiplication mountain, we have 2 times 3. If we select the correct answer, there we have it. And last one, division desert. So if we find the last clue with 8 divided by 2, and that's 4, there we have it. Congratulations, you found the last clue. Click here to end the game, and here is our last slide. And that's how you can create a quiz game right here in Google Slides. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.